Hi guys, 2010 Ford Mustang 4-liter oil pressure sending. This is just going to be a quick location video. I'm actually looking at it right now. I suggest you don't even try to attempt it from the front. If you try to do it from the front, you'll have to move the steel line and all this mess. Don't bother. But if you look under it and after you take off your snorkel, you can clearly see it. I'm going to use my laser pointer to show you. That's it right there. That's your oil pressure sending. I got to look at this and do this all at the same time. Let's see if I can get that light back on. There we go. But I can't see it on the camera. I hope you guys can see it. But the way you want to take this off is actually from underneath the vehicle. We're going to go under here real quick. And this is also something else to keep in mind. See, there's your oil pressure sending right there. Now notice there is no oil filter anywhere in here, because this is one of those cases where the oil filter is actually on the other side of the engine, which is right there. There's the oil filter completely on the other side of the engine. Now normally the oil filter and the oil pressure sending sensor are generally within the same area. This is not one of the cases. Now I've already cracked this. This is show you guys the button on it. It's just one of those simple release buttons that you would typically find on most sensors. There, it's off. In this direction here, the only tool that you're really going to need is a 13/16 wrench, really. That is all you're going to need. And of course, you're going to have to jack up the vehicle. Notice that there's a jack stand behind that. I'm not under here with just one jack. Never ever go underneath a vehicle with just one jack or a jack stand. Alright, the auto side, this is the location of it. You can clearly see it's easy to get to. You don't need to move around 100 different things. You may want to take this nut off right here to move the steel line out of the way, just to give you a little bit more room, but you really don't need to. Once you get the wrench on it, you are good to go. Hope you guys like this video. I'll try to get some more out soon. Talk to you guys later.